Okay, now we see together Universitaly, and we'll see how it works. If you are visa seeker students, you have to pre-enroll on Universitaly. This is the website, and you can reach it even through scanning this QR code. On Universitaly, you have to look for this international students section, and then you have to click on the reserved area upright from the home page, and then you have to register with all your personal information. After the registration, you can log into your personal page. Remember that you have to register using your valid passport information. It's very important. From the home page, you have to click on this button, New Pre-Enrollment Application. And then, in the first step, you will be asked to check your personal information, the same you entered before. So your name, your surname, birth date, etc. In the step B, you will be required to upload a personal type photo card. You have to enter all the information about your passport, so the passport number, the expiry date, and then you have to select the consulate or the embassy where you will apply for your visa. In the step B, you have to select this option. I want to enroll in a study course, and then you have to enter all the information about the institution, the course type, the course name, the languages, etc. And then you can go to step C. Here, you will be required to submit all the documents you have presented for admission through the Dream Apply platform. And to add each document, you have to click on this button, Upload Qualification. And then you can go to the summary. Here there are all the info you entered before, your name, your surname, and then you have to flag this. I have read the data processing, and then you can pre-enroll submitting your application through this button. Please remember that you have to bring with you your Universitaly summary at the appointment with the consulate or the embassy for your study visa process. And for now, we don't know the exact date when the Universitaly portal will open for this academic year. So we suggest you to keep monitoring the page and wait.